We are Group 3
presenting the proper ways of disposal,
and the pros and cons of doing it.
and as well as a short music video of us promoting proper ways of disposal.
But before we start, let us first introduce ourselves. I am Raymond Rivera,
Mary Aguilar,
and René Villan,
Crystal Colin Librado, Alexis Jolene Obra, Lovely and Rivera,
Lawrence Lovencido.
Jeremiah B.M. Roque.
And I'm Rizzo Mangway Gamoa. Once again,
we are Group 3.
Proper waste removal helps improves air and water quality, as well as reduces greenhouse gas emissions. It helps in minimizing the extraction of resources along with reducing pollution and energy consumption, which is associated with manufacturing new materials. Improper waste disposal and the increasing amount of trash produced as one of the major problems faced by people not only in our community but also in the whole world. Problems on improper waste disposal have caused other problems such as clogged drainage or canals, flooding, and diseases. Hence, there is a need for people to find ways on how to address these problems because it is our responsibility to protect our environment.
One of the most significant benefits of the waste management is the protection of the environment and the health of the population.
when the waste is recycled, it helps turn recyclable waste into useful substance. If you do not dispose of your waste with the help of rubbish removal Sydney, the useful substance cannot be created.
By smartly managing your waste, you also conserve natural resources including minerals, water, and wood. So, this is the effect of reduce, reusing, and recycling.
When the waste is disposed of efficiently, least amount of the junks reaches the landfills. By conserving space in landfills, the production of harmful substances is reduced.
Soil contamination is the #1 problem caused by improper waste removal and disposal. Some waste that end up in landfills excrete hazardous chemicals that leak into the soil.
Waste that contains hazardous chemicals such as bleach and acids need to be disposed of properly and only in approved containers with correct labels.
Improper disposal of waste can greatly affect the health of the population living nearby the polluted area or landfills. Waste disposal workers and other employees in the landfill facilities are at greater risk. Exposure to improperly handled waste can cause skin irritation, blood infection, respiratory problems, growth problems, and even reproductive issues.
When the waste is recycled, it helps turn recyclable waste into useful substances. If you do not dispose of your waste with the help of rubbish removal, Sydney, these useful substances cannot be created.
We need to save our environment and places for us to inhabit daily. Just like doing the 3Rs, we need to practice because it's help us to center freely. We love to throw away accurately. We need to throw away accurately. Just like the time is on segregating, we'll be the guide for your constancy.
To make the 3R work, there is a need to separate or segregate trash or garbage. First, know what trash or garbage that can be recycled and which ones are not. We call one biodegradable. Biodegradable waste or garbage that can be broken down or decomposed. The second one, we call it non-biodegradable. This is waste or garbage that cannot be broken down or decomposed. Then, for the non-biodegradable waste, this can be separated or segregated into paper, plastic, metal, and glass. This is called waste segregation. Yellow, green, red, and blue are the common colors used in trash bins and containers.